Welcome to eShip. I'm excited to share with you today how ChatGPT has helped me streamline my workflow in Blender. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, I've been able to optimize my creative process and achieve better results in less time. So first off, we're going to find the file we want to import into Blender, and we're going to scale it to 100 since it's a bit bugged otherwise. It's done importing. Now we want to remove all these empties because it makes the scene too cluttered. But if we do this with hand, it's going to take forever. To fix this, we're going to open up the scripting tab, make a new file, and go to ChatGPT. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to make a script that will remove all the empties in this file. Now if you're interested, you can read the code. It gives some ideas how the code was written, but we're just going to copy this and paste it into Blender. And boom, it removes all the empties. But as you can tell, it's kind of messed up. It changed the size and the rotation of the file. So we're going to tell ChatGPT to fix this by telling it to keep all transforms and not to rotate. To be honest, this was not the best way to do this. The first time I did this, I didn't have to be this specific, but you know what, whatever, it still works. Now all I did was just copy the code again and paste it into Blender. If you're wondering why the preview window isn't the same because my Blender crashed, but that doesn't matter, it still works. Now there's still a lot of things we want to remove from the scene, like the LODs, the trees, the grass and stuff like that. But if we do this one by one, it's going to take forever, as I said before. So we're going to go to ChatGPT and ask it to remove everything that has LOD in it. And you really got to be careful with this, since this is the first time I asked it to remove all the items, and I wasn't specific that it has to have LOD1 in the name. It was only looking for LOD1, so it didn't work the first time. If you look at my mouse, you can really tell I was quite confused. Anyway, I went back to ChatGPT and told it to be specific that if it has the word LOD1 or 2 in the name, it's going to remove it. Now this is the second time I used this, and if I play this here, you can see the LODs on the right disappear, which is really nice. And since there's some guide on the script here, you can actually just change the names of the items in the script if you want to remove something else, like maybe shadows or grass and stuff like that, because at least for me, it's a bit bugged on this file. But that's not all. The main point of this video is to really show you guys that you can do more than just spawning in monkey heads or rotating cubes and stuff with the scripting thing. You can actually be really useful to your workflow. And the last thing I really wanted to try was using modifiers. Sadly, I couldn't quite get them to work. There was something wrong with the script or maybe Blender. But in the future, this is definitely going to work and make it a lot easier to make high quality player model renders or something like that. That's it for today. Peace.